In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy and paste a table into Canva. This is a very useful skill to have, especially if you're frequently working on design projects that require the inclusion of structured data, like tables from spreadsheets or documents. Let's dive right into it so you can seamlessly integrate tables into your Canva designs in just a few straightforward steps. First, you'll want to start by identifying the table you need to transfer to Canva. Once you've found it, position your mouse cursor at the top left corner of the table. Hold down the right-click mouse button and drag your cursor across the table. This action highlights the entire area of the table, essentially selecting all the data within it. It's important to ensure that all the rows and columns you want to include are highlighted before proceeding to the next step, as this selection process sets the foundation for successfully moving your data. Once you've highlighted the table, it's time to copy it. The easiest way to do this is by pressing Ctrl and the C key on your keyboard simultaneously. If you're using a Mac, the command would be Command and C. This key combination is the universal shortcut for copying selected data, ensuring you have an exact replica of the table stored temporarily on your clipboard. This enables you to paste it wherever you choose in any compatible program. Now that your table is copied, you'll need to head over to your Canva interface. Make sure you have the design file open where you want the table to go. Navigate to the appropriate page or slide within your design. Once you're set, direct your attention back to your keyboard and hit Ctrl and the V key at the same time to paste the table into your design. If you're on a Mac, that's Command and V. This action inserts the table from your clipboard directly into the selected area on Canva. If you've done each step correctly, you should see your table appear on the page, ready for any adjustments or formatting it might need to fit seamlessly into your design. A helpful tip at this stage is to make any necessary changes to the table's format to align with your overall design aesthetics and ensure readability. Canva provides various tools to adjust the layout, size, and appearance of your table, making it easy to integrate with your existing design elements. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've efficiently copied and pasted a table into Canva. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to give it a few tries until you feel confident with the process. Thanks for watching and happy designing.